just a quick update on some of the propagations featured in previous videos. The string of turtles has done really nicely. You see I repotted it into soil after it did so well in the sphagnum moss. There's some that is still in the sphagnum moss. I mean, look at that. It just had one little branch and it's really doing really nicely in there. But that is definitely success. It's starting to trail off, which is usually what the goal is with these string of turtles. And the Opuntia Cactus, which I was worried I put it into too small of a pot. Look at that. It's got a little growth. You can see it's fattened up nicely. It was really wrinkled. It's doing really quite well. So that is a success. I have so many plants and propagations that I want to share with you. So make sure and subscribe and follow along. Check out my TikTok, which I am honestly a little bit more active on, but hopefully we're going to start growing this YouTube channel soon. Thanks.